Unix, I know this, right? Like Jurassic Park. So I was like, this looks familiar. I can deal with this. And so my question really wasn't, how do I own this thing? Because I had owned it before. The question is, are the same things that I found that were wrong still wrong multiple years later, different vendor? Did the upstream provider of the firmware actually fix their stuff, as well as the app stack things that were kind of unique to this particular chipset and some other stuff? So the answer is no. It still does no SSL anywhere, and this is all default app stack stuff too. This is all built into the Mobileye's platform that these two cameras both share. The same 3 Unix accounts that were hard-coded in that camera are still hard-coded in this camera. The firmware upgrade process is still insecure. One of the things I like to point out, because sometimes people like glaze over this and go like, oh, it's secure. So all the firmware update process is over HTTP. So it's clear text, so you can manipulate it, no problem, whatever. And then you'll see there's an image file, which is the firmware, and MD5 sum. And everyone's like, oh, MD5 sum, they're checking the integrity. Yes, but they're checking the integrity of something that's going over HTTP. I can man in the middle both